Jai Hind everyone. I am Cadet Anya Swami and today I am going to be covering the topic role of various agencies. First of all, in this हम किस agency के role के बारे में देखेंगे. We will talk about the Indian Navy, we are talking about the Indian State Marine Police, we are talking about the Indian Coast Guard. Okay, so now we have Indian Navy. Entrusted with the responsibility of overall maritime security. अब हमें पता है Navy provides us with security and safety in the waters. So that is what maritime security stands for, including coastal security and offshore security. So not only in the sea but even on the shore we have safety is provided by the Indian Navy. The Indian Navy is assisted by Indian Coast Guard, the State Marine Police, जिनके बारे में both we are going to talk about how, and other central as well as state agencies for coastal defense of nation and controls all Navy. Coast Guard and all the Navy and Coast Guard के joint operations also, because since these two are supposed to work together and integrated together, they have to follow operations, they have to go for operations. So the Indian Navy also controls Navy and Coast Guard के joint operations. ठीक है. Then now coastal defense में only does not talk about here कोई दूसरी country का ship comes here. It also talks about merchant navy में जो भी हमारे पास ships के आते हैं, whatever ships are docked on the coast, we have to be aware कि उसमें कोई trafficking नहीं हो रही, जो भी material है हमारा whatever it is, we have to take a look कि कोई भी illegal activity is not taking place, poaching etc. All of this not taking place is what they are looking after. The Indian Navy supports the Indian Coast Guard within the maritime zones as required. ठीक है, so the Coast Guard provide करता है कि हमें details provide करता है कि we need support here. So that is when the Indian Navy comes to action there. And then we have and provides presence including surveillance and patrol. Surveillance and patrol again for illegal activities on the high seas beyond the EEZ. EEZ is exclusive economic zone. हम detail में we will talk about what are the various boundaries and territories, and in one of the videos it would be present. So we will put the link for that, or you can go and search on the channel. We will have particular video to explain कि high seas का क्या मतलब है, EEZ का क्या मतलब है, territorial waters का क्या मतलब है, all of that will be covered. The Indian Navy also undertakes patrolling on the offshore drilling areas ODA and Sagar Prahari Bal, SPB, Sagar Prahari Bal, that is specialized force undertaking patrolling of naval harbors. Next we talk about the role of State Marine Police. The State Marine Police is responsible for patrolling the inner layer from the coastline up to the territorial waters. Again, क्या होता है? This is a very close reading. So basically, to explain बहुत brief में, we have जैसे again coming to the peninsula, we have यहाँ पे we have the Arabian Peninsula. So there is a particular area up to which we have the territorial sea. ठीक है? We have जैसे for example, let's say this much area is हमारा territorial sea. Okay, I'm going to change the color. Then we have, for example, this much area is for, you can say, high seas. So basically, particular areas होते हैं जहाँ पे अलग-अलग लोगों का, अलग-अलग organizations are responsible for security and for the resources present in that area. So you can see and check out that video that explains this in detail. Then we have, it is responsible for patrolling the inner layer from the coastline up to the territorial waters in coordination with customs and CISF. What is CISF? Central Industrial Security Force, and respective port authorities as relevant. कि particular port में क्या-क्या necessary है, क्या-क्या वहाँ के rules हैं, उसको follow करने के लिए. Then we talk about the Indian Coast Guard. Indian Coast Guard की बात करें, so we have the Indian Coast Guard patrols the maritime zones and provides this support to the marine police within the inner layers as required. So all of these जो हैं, they work together, integrated to provide security in the maritime zones. So that was all about the role of various agencies. I hope you were able to understand this. Again, any questions, queries that you have, you can let us know in the comment section below and we'll try to answer you as soon as possible. That was all for today. Thank you and Jai Hind.